Hey everybody, Jason here with Midwest Coyote Pursuit. Today we're going to be unboxing the IRay finder, the FH35R V2 model. This is the 640 monocular. I picked this up from our partner at 365 Thermal. If you guys ever need any binoculars, scopes, tripods, calls, lights, if your estate allows you to use lights, they've got it all there. Make sure you go check them out. Our discount code is in the description of this video, and without further ado, we'll get into it. So just first looks, I got the plastic wrap all off, but normally it's all plastic wrapped up. It's got all your information that you need here on the side of the box, the model number, what it is, all that good stuff. All the stuff that's in the box is your FH35R V2 power adapter, USB cable, HDMI cable, charger, comes with 2 batteries, storage bag, hand strap, neck strap, your manual, and then lens cloths. Here's what it looks like. Taking that sleeve off. And I was going back and forth on which monocular I wanted to pick. As a lot of you know, I'm a big IRay guy, so I just decided to go with IRay. And I needed a 640 with a rangefinder. This seemed to be the best option. So right here you got your manual. And your warranty card. 5-year warranty, 5-day turnaround. Which basically what that means is if you bust the monocular, scope, whichever IRay product you get, you report it, you send it in, and they will either replace it or fix it, and in that 5 days send it back to you and you'll be good to go. Opening up this first section of the bag, you got your charging cord, which is a USB-C. You've got your HDMI cord. I'm assuming you're able to plug it into like a TV, or if you have like a screen that you're streaming on in your vehicle, should plug right into the finder itself. Go that route. This will be your neck strap. A strap for carrying your case if you keep it in the case. One of the batteries, and then lens cloth. Doesn't look like there's anything else in that side of the bag, so we'll get into the good section of it. So right here, we'll open this up, and this looks like it is the charging port. Which in my experience, it seems like the charging stations or the docking stations for these are all the same when it comes to IRay, especially with these batteries. I used to have the cabin series. We just got that raffled off. Congratulations to our winner on that. And then we've got our power adapter in here. Then we also have the hand strap for the monocular itself. And we have the finder. It does have a eye relief on it that just flops right up. The battery goes in right here. Just twist and it pulls right out. Big thing I've noticed with these batteries, which if you're new to it, you got to make sure you line it up, otherwise it will not go in. It's got 4 different buttons on the top: your power, your menu. This one will be for your checking your range, and that one's for taking your pictures, recording, all that good stuff. It's got the lens cap on it, rangefinder is in there. And then you got your focus here, and you also have your lens focus up front here. But we will get this turned on, get some video from it, and we will see what the hype's all about on it. Alright, so I've got the monocular turned on, just kind of looking out in the field behind the house here. Really good quality on it. Like I said, it's that 640 by 512 millimeter. The frame rate is a 50 hertz. The objective lens is 35 millimeter. Magnification, the base mag is 2 times. The digital zoom is up to 4, and you can move that in half increments, so that's really nice. The display resolution's that 1024 by 768. Different color patterns that you can use are white hot, black hot, red hot, highlight, iron, bow, and rainbow. I mean, as you can see, I'm zoomed in on my decoy I have about 15-20 yards away from me, and the quality is just insane. Just another video here, kind of scanning around our little pasture that we have. The rangefinder is 800 yards. That's what it'll reach out to. You can do video recording, you can take pictures with it. The onboard storage for it is 32 gigabytes. You're able to hook it up to your phone via Wi-Fi, so that's really nice. As I mentioned before, you can plug it in to a external battery via USB-C charger. It does come with 2 batteries. The instructions say that they last about 3 hours apiece, but everywhere I've read, and then my experience with the cabin, I've been able to run them for anywhere from 4 to 5 hours and never had any issues with it. It's about 14 ounces, so very lightweight unit. Again, it's got the 5-year warranty, so that's really nice. IRay does that with a lot of their products. But yeah, overall, very nice monocular. Can't beat the 640. And then here's a quick image of the cow that we've got at home. So there's our review video on the Finder. Overall, it's very lightweight, very compact. It's a little bit bigger than the cabin that we originally did a video on, but quality on it is outstanding. Again, as I mentioned, it is a 640 with the rangefinder. It's pretty tough to beat. Again, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, make sure you go check out 365 Thermal for any of your thermal hunting needs. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to check us out on our Facebook, and we have our podcast as well, Talking Yotes. Make sure you check that out. And we're coming close to November. We do have a tournament that we are putting on. Got a lot of great prizes to give away at that, including the Freaks game call, suppressor, handful of other good stuff. So make sure you check that out. It's pinned to the top of our Facebook page. Entry's $150. So make sure you get on that. We got a couple teams signed up right now, so should be a pretty good turnout. Just keep bringing them in, and don't forget to drop them. Thanks.